Hello guys, today my S26 Ultra got amazing new features. Now you can share files Samsung device to Apple device, Apple device to Samsung device. It's an amazing features. Now it's exclusively on S26 series, but Samsung says in future when your device get 8.5 on your 8.5 update, your device also getting these features like S23, S22, S21, also S24 5 devices also. So let's check the features. So as you can see, my latest Samsung S26 Ultra and iPhone 17 Pro. So first of all, I show you the update. Go to setting and so as you can see, 25th March 2026 I got almost 868.11 MB update. Today is 25th of March. Okay, so and now if you go to settings and search for quick share, so as you can see, quick share settings, and see guys, share with your Apple devices. So make sure as default is off, make sure it's on. Now go to gallery and share, quick share. Let's check it's working or not. Also open Airdrop, make sure it's everyone, quick share, turn on. Oh guys, as you can see, it's also find my Mac Mini, so you can also share files Samsung to Mac Mini, your Mac also. Okay, so as you can see, also find the iPhone. So oh guys, it's working. So as you can see, file transferred, and also check it's working Apple iPhone to Samsung or not. Make sure who can share with you, it's everyone, and back. So now check, it's not showing guys, so let's check another time. So now as you can see, it's also showing my S26 Ultra. So accept. So as you can see guys, it's also working fine. It's a pre-release software right now, but I hope it's fixed in future. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are new to the channel, please like. Already I doing a great camera test, both of these. If you want to watch, go to I button. Thank you.